Most people don't realize that it's not necessary to go to the gym to get fit, but with these 5 high-intensity workouts designed to work your whole body, you can get fitter and stronger. Today, we're taking on a full-body power workout that will leave you feeling stronger and more energized in just 25 minutes. We will be focusing on the following 5 exercises: jump squats, push-ups, mountain climbers, burpees, and plank hold. This workout will consist of 4 rounds with 30 seconds work and 30 seconds rest per exercise. You won't need any equipment, just your own body weight. Let's get to it. Before we dive into the workout, we're going to get warmed up to loosen the muscles and avoid injury. Let's start with some torso twists, inchworms, and high knees to get the heart rate up. Ready? Let's go. Torso twists. Hold your hands up in front of you at shoulder height. Move your upper body from right to left and left to right. Do this for 30 seconds. Inchworms. Start by standing upright. Keep your legs straight and bend over at your hips by placing your hands on the floor in front of you. Walk your hands out to a plank position. Then walk your hands back to the standing position. Do this for 30 seconds. High knees is a great way to get the blood flowing and the cardio up. Run on the spot by lifting your knees up in front of you. Do this for 30 seconds. We are now warmed up and ready to go. Warming up is essential before any workout, exercise, or sport to reduce the risk of injury. Let's hit it. First up, we're firing up the legs with jump squats. Drop into a deep squat, then explode up into a jump. Land softly and go right into the next rep. We'll work for 30 seconds, let's go. Keep pushing, each jump builds more power in your legs. You've got this. Rest for 30 seconds, then we will move on to push-ups. Now let's hit the upper body with push-ups. Push-ups targets the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Hands shoulder width apart, body in a straight line. Lower down, keeping your core tight, and push back up strong. 30 seconds, let's make them count. Excellent. Rest for 30 seconds and grab a drink of water. Next, we're working the core and cardio with mountain climbers. Get into a plank position and drive your knees to your chest as fast as you can. Keep that core engaged for 30 seconds, go. Stay strong. This one burns, but it's building strength and endurance. Brilliant. Rest for 30 seconds as you will need to catch your breath for the next one. Alright, time to get the heart pumping with everyone's favorite, burpees. This targets the full body and cardio. Drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, push up if you want to add intensity and jump back up. Full body power. Let's go hard for 30 seconds. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy doing burpees. Keep pushing. Burpees are tough, but they'll take your fitness to the next level. Rest for 30 seconds. You've earned it. Last exercise of the round is a plank hold to challenge your core. Elbows under your shoulders, body in a straight line, engage that core and hold. Just 30 seconds, let's finish strong. Stay steady. The plank is all about focus and core strength. Hold on for those last few seconds. That's the end of round 1. Grab some water, take a 60-second break, and then we're going to repeat it for a total of 4 rounds. Each round will get tougher, but that's where the progress happens. Just to recap the exercises, you will be doing jump squats, push-ups, mountain climbers, burpees and plank hold for 30 seconds each. Take a 30-second break between each exercise and a 60-second break between rounds. And that's it. A full body workout in just 25 minutes. You've worked every major muscle group, boosted your heart rate, and built serious strength today. Be proud of what you just accomplished. Before you head out, let's cool down and stretch those muscles. Start with some light stretches for the legs, arms, and back. Hold each for about 20 seconds. Thanks for working out with me. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the workout, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and effective calisthenics routines. Leave a comment below and let me know how you feel after doing this workout. Stay tuned for the next video as we will be doing a 20-minute lower body sculpt.